If I had to start over as a complete beginner getting into day trading, this is the exact strategy I would use: supply and demand. Supply and demand is by far the easiest strategy to start day trading. All you're looking for is a smaller candle and the next candle to engulf the previous candle, showing some momentum. So for example, if we was taking sales right here, this would be a supply level because we have this candle and this candle, but this candle engulfed the previous candle. So if you're on TradingView, you would take a rectangle and mark this up. You want to mark it up from the top wick to the bottom wick of the previous candle. You then want to wait for price to come back into that zone, show some rejection out of that zone. Your entry will literally be the break of this candlestick. Same for the bullish market, all right? You will box up your zone on your chart. You will wait for price to come back and retap this zone. Price shows some rejection, you will get in on the break of the candlestick. This is simple and easy. Let me show you how it look like on the charts. Pretty good example right here. What I'm going to do is I'm going to take my rectangle. I'm going to box it up from the top of this wick to the bottom of this wick. All right. Now that we see that, we've seen price came in, tapped into the zone, showed some rejection. Our entry would have been on the break of this candle, and look what it did, y'all. That's simple. Now, if you understand this strategy, I want you to leave a comment in the comment box and say, I got it, because I truly want to see who really understand how simple supply and demand is.